there's a major opportunity in Nigeria right now. The opportunity is to bring a message and an opportunity for wellness, for health, and for wealth. Nigeria is in a place right now where there's a lot of sickness, and a solution for health and wealth is needed right now. Dr. Sunny Chinyenye, the president of the Diabetes Association of Nigeria, says that diabetes is now a global epidemic with about 285 million people worldwide suffering, and that number is projected to go to 380 million by the year 2025. It's a major problem in Nigeria because right now 1 out of every 5 adult Nigerians with diabetes will die before their 50th birthday. And 3 out of every 5 children in Nigeria with diabetes will die before their 20th birthday. And the experts agree that when you have an increase in obesity and overweight, you have an increased risk of heart disease and diabetes. So this is happening in Nigeria right now. The other thing that's happening in Nigeria right now is that the Nigerian economy is fighting to rebound, to come back from previous years of decline. And it actually is starting to rise again, which makes this the perfect opportunity and the perfect time to bring to people an opportunity where they can help other people not only feel better and live longer, but to earn more money. And we've been doing that all around the world. Let's talk about this company. The company is called Unicity International. U-N-I-C-I-T-Y, Unicity International. We are the Make Life Better company because that's what we do. We make life better for millions of people around the world, both physically and financially. Unicity is not a new company. This company was started in 1990 in America. This is a rock-solid company. It's built to last. Today, it's a 23-year-old company. And we do business in 34 countries around the world. We've opened up 12 of those countries in the last 2 years. One of those 12 countries that we opened up is Nigeria. We are officially registered with the Nigerian government. Our product has the NAFDAC number. So everything is all set up for you to go. We have a warehouse distribution center in Lagos. We have a warehouse distribution center in Abuja. And we are opening a new office for Unicity in Lagos, Nigeria, in the very first part of next year, of 2014. So your time is perfect. Still, our business, even though we're registered in Nigeria, our business is very small right now. So that means you have an opportunity to be part of sharing the success of this company in Nigeria from the very beginning. And I want to let you know this company is succeeding. We have grown by 200% between 2011 and 2013. Now, what kind of company are we? What do we do? Unicity is a wellness company, and it's a wealth company. Unicity is positioned in the wellness industry. And just think, so many people are dealing with sickness, and now wellness has become very important in this world. The number 1, number 2, and number 3 reasons that people are dying are obesity, heart disease, and diabetes. The number 1, number 2, and number 3 reason people dying in America, in the United Kingdom, in Canada, and in Nigeria are obesity, heart disease, and diabetes. The world is looking for solutions. The market is getting bigger. Unfortunately, people are getting sicker, not better. And Unicity has been serving these markets with proven, effective, and highly consumable products. And this is important for you to know as business people. Consumable products mean they work and people buy them over and over again, which means you get paid over and over again. Let's talk about these products. These products are so exciting, and they're so exciting because doctors are excited about them. Unicity has 12 products listed in a book in America called the Physician's Desk Reference, the PDR. The only things that get to be in that book are remedies that are proven with clinical studies, proven to work. because doctors, they can't deal with things that maybe they're going to work. They have to deal with things that give a predictable and measurable result. And Unicity's products do that. 30% of the people that participate in Unicity as business partners are medical professionals and healthcare professionals, because these products really work and they help people to really get better. And one of those professionals, you're going to hear from her today, is a Nigerian doctor who has literally over 1,000 patients using our main product, called Dr. Christy Asuagu. Dr. Christy Asuagu is very amazing. She's a personal friend of mine. And I want Dr. Christy Asuagu to introduce you to Unicity's major product, our first product that we are introducing to Nigeria. That product is helping people with obesity, with heart disease and diabetes. And that product is called BIOS Life Slim. Let's hear from Dr. Christy Asuagu for the next 6 minutes. I want to bring on a lady from the medical profession. Her name is Christy Asuagu. And Christy is a healthcare professional for over 30 years. She has her master's in public administration and in nursing, as well as a PhD in public health. She's written many articles that have been published in the Journal of Diabetes Complications, as well as the Clinical Advisor. She has her own medical practice where she serves as a nurse practitioner. And her passion for preventive health is the reason why the Unicity International opportunity, and especially BIOS Life Slim, are being made available in Nigeria. We have Christy on the line. She's going to talk about BIOS Life Slim. Christy, the floor is yours.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Tigre, for making this time possible and for getting a lot of people who are hungry for health. And I believe that everybody on this call today is hungry for health and for making somebody else's life better. It is my pleasure to be on this call. My name is Christy Asuagu, and my whole life and career has been in healthcare over the last 33 years. Until 6 years ago, I was on the other side of healthcare that took care of the sick upon arrival to the hospital. In other words, I worked in the hospital and we took care of the sick when they came in. However, in the last 4 years, while I manage chronic health problems in our clinic, my passion and primary focus has been on prevention. You and I know that prevention is better than cure, as is commonly said. My interest is in preventive health, and solutions for this approach was kindled when I participated in a health disparities research at our university hospital, where I worked for 22 years. At that time, we looked at obesity and diabetes in our region, and I found that 70% of the people who had diabetes that we looked at in the East Texas region also had diabetes. People with obesity have diabetes. They have other unkind friends like high blood pressure. They also have some cancers. And because of this finding, my interest was much more kindled when I did my doctoral program in public health. I decided to do a study in obesity for my dissertation. My passion for prevention led me to a preventive health product, BIOS Life Slim. BIOS Life Slim, a health-promoting, disease-preventing, and health-curing natural supplement that we have found to be amazing for everybody at every stage. This product was advertised by Mrs. Jan Bloom in a Nurse Practitioner magazine. After doing some reading about this product, I chose to try it on my husband, who was initially very reluctant for me to get into what he called another network marketing. My husband had a major issue with high cholesterol and had tried numerous other statin drugs without successfully. Side effects did not allow him to be on them for too long. Hence, we changed our strategy to using dietary management. However, 5 weeks after getting on BIOS Life Slim, my husband's cholesterol dropped very significantly from 259 to 211 in 5 weeks. And his triglyceride went from 145 to 89. His bad cholesterol, which we call the LDL, went from 186 to 135, and his HDL, the good cholesterol, went from 64 to 76. All these, with an added benefit of weight loss, were very impressive, especially without any side effects. My husband became a BIOS Life convert and a persistent advocate since after that. I also had another guinea pig, a patient of mine, a 32-year-old patient with morbid obesity with blood pressures that ranged from 279 to 400 in spite of 2 different medications that he was taking twice a day. This gentleman did not want insulin or Byetta, which are the 2 medications that we can use in injection form. Hence, I put him on BIOS Life Slim. In less than 2 weeks, his blood sugar dropped to low 140s, and he was ecstatic. He called me and said, "Can I get 2 more boxes? I need 2 more boxes of that stuff. I have energy. My blood sugar dropped. I'm now registered in a gym for an exercise program." When I saw these results and noted that I was losing inches and weight myself, I knew I had a great tool in my hand. I began to spread the word and to recommend it for all my patients. Due to the overwhelming positive results my patients were getting for their blood sugar, their cholesterol, their weight, without any side effects, I decided that the people in Nigeria would benefit from this product. Hence, the journey to Nigeria began. And I tell everybody about BioSlim without hesitation, whether it's at Walmart, at the mall, wherever I am. In fact, I tell everybody that BioSlim should be on everybody's menu every day for health promotion, health maintenance, for prevention, for optimal health and well-being. BIOS Life Slim is saving life. I have at least 1,000 patients who have benefited from it, and all of them have nothing but good things to say. So I encourage us, anybody on this call, this is a life-saving product that we should be putting in everybody's hand without hesitation. In fact, we should do it passionately, and we should do it very joyfully. Thank you all for being on this call.
Wasn't that absolutely fantastic? And we're so grateful to Dr. Christy Asuagu for her pioneering work. She is the reason that we were able to go ahead and get BIOS Life Slim and Unicity into Nigeria. She had so many of her patients that had such success. You heard her say she's got over 1,000 patients that she has used BIOS Life Slim to help them lose weight, to help them reduce or eliminate their medication for diabetes and high blood pressure and cholesterol, that she said her Nigerian people had to have this, and that's why we're in Nigeria. Let me give you the details about BIOS Life Slim. First of all, it is very easy to use. It is a fiber-based product. Someone asked me what's in it. Fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Everything is all natural. And it's easy to use because it comes in a box, and there are 60 packets in the box. And it's going to last you for a month because you're going to use it twice a day before your 2 largest meals. In each 15 to 20 minutes before you eat, you're going to open up one of those packets, pour it in 8 to 10 ounces of cold water, and I guess that's 200 milliliters in Nigeria. And you're going to shake it up good, and you're going to drink it down. You want to drink it fast because it's going to swell, and you want it to swell and get thick in your stomach, not in your cup. And that's where your work is over. And now it's going to go to work for you inside. And it's safe and it's effective. Even children can use it. Pregnant women can use it. Nursing mothers can use it. We've been using this product is the product that the company started with back in 1990. So we have 23 years of history with BIOS Life Slim. We know what happens when people use it for a long time. There are no side effects. The only thing that's a side effect is that if you have weight to lose, this product is going to help you lose that weight. And so what is it clinically proven to do? It's clinically proven to help you with your blood sugar levels. It's clinically proven to help you with your cholesterol and your triglycerides. Triglycerides are the amount of fat in your blood. It's the reason why people have strokes. It's clinically proven to lower that. And like I mentioned, it'll help you lose weight. And so what happens when people use this product, person after person, time and time again, is that it helps them with their weight. And if they have diabetes or high blood sugar, they are typically able to have their doctor reduce or eliminate those medicines. If they have high blood pressure or cholesterol or triglycerides, typically, after using the product for a short period of time, they're able to have their doctor reduce or eliminate those medications. And understand how big the blessing is, because typically when the doctor puts you on the medications, you're going to be on those medications for the rest of your life. And what a blessing to be able to get off of those medications with their side effects and do something natural. For 23 years, we've been creating amazing results. Results like Dawn. Dawn, 18 months ago, she was 301 pounds. She was going to have surgery to lose weight. She was afraid of the surgery. Instead of doing the surgery, she used Bio's Life Slim. And in 18 months, she has lost 112 pounds. She was on 3 different medications for high blood pressure. And now her doctor said, you don't need to take any of those medications anymore. She was wearing a size 22W. She was really overweight. She was obese. And now she's wearing a size 8 and even wearing some size 6s, ladies. And you know what? She feels amazing about herself. Anne-Marie Richards in Jamaica. She suffered with diabetes and high blood pressure for 22 years. She was on 8 medications every single day. Her blood sugar was insanely high. On the U.S. scale, her blood sugar was as high as 486. On the European scale, that's a 27. And now that she's been using Bio's Life Slim, her blood sugar is down on the U.S. scale to 86. On the European scale, that's 4.8. So from 27 down to 4.8. She was on 8 medications. Now she's on 0 medications. Her doctor said, you don't need any of those medications anymore. Can you imagine how she feels to be freed from that? She lost 74 pounds and 17.5 inches off her waist. She was wearing a size 22, and now she's wearing a size 14. Even her husband lost weight. He was wearing a size 58 jacket. Now he's wearing a size 48. So this product has been a major blessing. We could tell you stories all day.